Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question what a PS file can be, especially when it comes to security cameras or bird feeders, or other way around, ask how can you find video files on a surveillance camera, micro SD card, or also micro SD card of a bird feeder. So here I have the content of a micro SD card from a bird feeder, and so I've been looking through these directories to search for the video files, and I found it here in the 0, and then you have a folder for each day. But what you find is these enumerated files with the PS ending. PS usually means PostScript, has something to do with printers. Usually these days we are not using this anymore, but we can also see regarding the file size, which is a little bit above 2 megabytes, that this could be a video file. So how can we find out? So for example, we can click on F2 and rename it. We can make this a text file. We click on yes and open that. Or we can even see that in the preview already. When we go to the header or the first part of the file, then we can see this is definitely a video file with some description about like bitrate, frame rate, these things. So definitely it looks like a video file, but how to convert it to a video file, that's also usually very easy and works in most of the cases. We can just rename the ending, for example, to MP4, also confirm here, and then double click, and it will usually open, for example, with the VLC video player. Absolutely no problem, just normal standard video file. Of course, depends a little bit on the video player which you have installed, but if you have the VLC media player can almost play anything or all the video files possible, and even pictures, except from when it's encrypted. And of course, sometimes these files, especially when it comes to security cameras, can be encrypted, and then there's no way you can do anything with these files. So again, PS files do not have to be PostScript files. This can be anything else. Maybe on your camera it has a different ending, but at least as long as it has a size which makes sense for a short video file for a couple of seconds or so, this could be definitely a video file. So it's really nice. So we can mark many of them, rename them, and so we can easily copy transfer these videos and watch them and combine them, do whatever we want. If you really have no clue where your video files are here in these directories, maybe you have really a lot of directories. Some of these cameras run like an Android system, and then they are adding really a lot of directories. Usually it's then called DCIM, but another option is to search with the file. So we type size and double point, and then it will give us the options here. We click on that, and here we have the size. And so I would say most of these files are in this area, medium. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't accept that. So let's type it here, medium. So this is what we could directly enter here, size double point, medium. And we also have them here now. Yeah, it's a huge probability that these files, or at least most of the videos, can be found like that, unless you have really long videos or super short videos. I mean, you know how you have set the settings for the video length, and then you know about how long the video files can be. So there are a couple of options. Doesn't work in all the cases, but probably 90% of the cases this should work. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.